The black man is God, the maker, the owner, the cream of the planet Earth, father of civilization, God of the universe, the foundation, leader of innovation, warrior, healer, prosperous son, in which I reflect. The black man is God, robbed of himself and his wealth. Black kings, do you know who you are? Do you know where you come from? You are the original man, extraordinary, enslaved and degraded, becoming a product of a system meant to destroy the black family. Trick knowledge, trick knowledge, trick knowledge. Devils embellish on that bullshit right at the pulpit. Knowledge is symbolic of the original man's mind. Look, listen, respect, and observe within you and around you. Arm, leg, arm, head, the black man is God. Black like the tribe of Shabazz, black like vanilla bean in its purest form. The whites said we couldn't have it, and so we butter pecan, cause we